when you're looking at feces, if you take the average of 400 grams of wet feces per individual per day, that corresponds to roughly 80 grams dry. There's a decent ash content. You see here roughly about 100 grams of COD. But of course, as this stuff ages, as this stuff is being, sitting around and ferments, mature, gets all kinds of stuff, things are changing over time.
We've shown that microliter tubular microwave fuel cells can give us amps, hundreds of amps per cubic meter. Do we really think that microliter tubular microwave fuel cells can work in a wastewater treatment plant, let alone in a toilet?
We could use that to pre-treat the urine, give us some of the energy to power a pump from that microbial fuel cell, and bring that water in our main treatment system.
We've started the week with a program overview from the Gates Foundation. We had 3 great speakers highlighting what they're doing in sanitation and water around the world. This week, we're trying to solve some technical gaps, address challenges that have existed in those projects. And so we had a brainstorming session that was facilitated by an experienced moderator. And the key here is that we're building upon the good work that already happens in our symposia and in the poster sessions.
What we're trying to do is those hallway conversations that are going on, we're trying to get those people in a room and have those conversations together. We're very interested in what electrochemistry can do to solve some of the problems of the world. So we created this opportunity at our meeting.
This approach is hugely different. I mean, you don't see that anywhere else. We might have, meetings, in other words, where we'll discuss the problems, but we don't actually try and solve them within that short of a time frame. I mean, 2 days, literally, to write proposals and discuss the issues, and then defend that, and then potentially actually get funded in that time frame. There is no funding agency that I know of anywhere that can fund a research at that short of a time scale.
This week, I think, is going to demonstrate the incredible value that Electrochemical Society and our membership and our meeting participants can bring to the table for problem solving. When we tap into the collective knowledge and the collective problem solving abilities of our attendees, we can address problems like sanitation, but water, climate, health. There are other applications that we can use the intellect of our membership to help address these global challenges, and that's really exciting.